Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something. Then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to log in if you're not currently signed up, so just do it and then tap on this circle, which is your personal account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all currently downloaded and installed apps. And if you want to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 27 of the updates, so you can of course update all of them just by marking all, or you can update only one or two. So let me pick the Gmail and the Google, for example. And after picking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And right now, your device will simply download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically, from this moment, you don't have to do anything, just wait. So basically, that's all. This is how to update the apps in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.